You want to take out? You can come out if you want to. You can come out. Come on. Come on, Ginger. That tongue going. You can come out if you want to, you know. Never mind the camera. Never mind my fingers. Silly snake. Want to come out? Ginger's got a really unique pattern, reduced pattern. She's got some beautiful colors. The sides are almost a copper color. She's got bright yellows too. She's a real pretty snake. Ginger was the first snake of mine that bonded with my cat, Deeper. You could come out. It's pretty warm though. You sure you want to do that? Pretty warm today. Want to come out? Huh? Want to come out? My snakes are really well behaved. They won't come out of their tote usually unless I prompt them to come out. Which sounds ridiculous, but all the years I've worked with them, they know they don't come out unless I prompt them to come out. They'll sit in this tote for hours on end outdoors if I don't prompt them. That's kind of weird. My snakes, they do learn. They're creatures of habit, so I imagine they can learn to follow your habits and the way you do things. She's a real pretty girl. Stand up behind me on my foot. They always have to be touching me when they're outdoors. It's okay. You're safe. Oh, she's behind me. She's standing across my foot. You're alright. You're alright. I'll protect you. There you go. She's got beautiful colors and patterns though. Really unusual looking normal. Hi, kid. Hey, Jen. You gonna come get on me? I don't know where I'm going. I'm just prowling around everywhere. Where are you going, pretty girl? I love that stripe on her tail. The back end, it's real pretty. She's got one right on the end of her tail too. Goes all the way down. She's on my foot. This is how dependent my snakes are. When I bring them outdoors, they have to always be touching me or be on me. It's kind of weird, but I guess it's alright. Now she's going to take off. Where are you going? Yeah? Real pretty colors. I love the striping on the top of her tail end. It's really unique. You're just taking off and leaving me behind, huh? You gonna leave me? What are you doing? If I get in front of you, am I gonna freak you out? Huh? What are you doing? Where are you going, Ginger? Where are you off to? She's a good sized girl. Ginger's over 5 feet. She's actually like 5 feet and 4 inches. Real pretty. You're leaving me. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Very pretty. I don't know why people abuse and neglect ball pythons. Sure, they're cheap and they're plentiful, but yeah, I mean, they're gorgeous animals. And sadly enough, because they're so easy to get hold of, the most commonly abused and neglected of all snakes in captivity. You having fun? Yep. I stick right with my snakes when they're outdoors because I got some massive blackbirds here that have swooped down at my snakes before. I actually had a couple snatch my hair when they swooped down after my snake, but most of that's because they have nests in the trees around my house. So they're just defending their nest. I can honestly say that they wouldn't grab one of my snakes and try to take off with it either, because I assure you they would to protect their nests. Think. So I bring her out for a little while. It's really hot today. I don't want to keep her out very long. You're not going over there and getting in those weeds. No, you're not.